And this is the mulberry fruit.
Mommy.
Oh, it fell down. Hi, Kata, you can ride that.
I just shook it.
Yeah.
One
Let me
mulberry.
show the mulberry. Mulberry. So, these are not poop. Yeah, see? You want to see mulberry? Here is the mulberry.
And the next part of
Taran, taran, taran. This is the mulberry. Here it is. Sweet.
Wow.
There's a bug.
And the black எடுத்து சாப்பிடு. பண்ணி கொடுங்க.
Tony, you want to taste it?
what?
கையில பாலாயிரம்.
Eat it. How it is?
Wow.
So sweet.
Yeah.
I think Daddy likes it so much. Inga paru. I see a bunch. You want to taste it? So you see all the colors, right? This is the unripe one, semi-ripe, and this is the ripe. My goodness.
I hope I see Miss Amelia here.
This is the mulberry. It looks like something like a blackberry, but it tastes so sweet. Tony, can you?
Yeah. There's a phone. Your phone ringing.
Yeah.
It's like,
It is high. Okay. Show me.
I just shook it.
Wow.
You must shake it too. You must shake it too.
Okay, Daddy, the bag la potu sadi sammiya irukku Daddy.
இவன் black color பக் பாருங்க.
This is the mulberry leaf. See how
Mommy,
big it is.
you want to have a try? Have a try.
Tony, can you hold this leaf? See how big it is.
A garden pit. Oh no, I lost it. Mommy, you could have a try.
Okay.
You could try.
Okay. Let's go to the next tree. Next tree.
Get
this
that
is-
mulberry.
Yeah, this is the mulberry kai, and this is the mulberry fruit.
Mommy,
Oh, it fell down.
you,
Oh my God, it's so
you,
ripe.
you should pick with this.
Okay,
Can you take this?
I want to try with this.
Okay. Can you take this? I want this one.
Your phone ringing.
This.
That one?
Yeah. Awesome. You're my boy. My killer. Very good.
Wow, Tony. Oh my goodness. Here bunches are good.
Where bunches?
Here. தெரியுதா கிட்ட வா இன்னும் கிட்ட வா இன்னும் கொஞ்சம் வா. இடம் மறைச்சிருக்கா. This way. Can you see it here?
Yeah.
Yeah, get it. Ding, 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 ding. Oh, aiming for that one. இப்படி வாங்க கொஞ்சம் வெயில நில்லுங்க. ஃபேஸ் காட்டுங்க. Okay, Tony, eat it, Tony. So sweet, right? This is a little. This is the blackest one or the sweetest one. See, my hands were sticking and losing.
சாப்பிடுவா. Take the blackest one.
Yeah, it's full.
This one.
He's feeling
It's full.
சரி okay.
Now this is the last getting mulberry.
You can eat this.
இந்த பாக்ஸ் எவ்வளோ கலெக்ட் ஆயிருக்கு. வாவ்.
The box கரெக்ட்டா.
இரு ஃபோட்டோ எடுத்துக்கிறேன். கிளிக். ஓகே, எப்படி இருக்கு டேஸ்ட் பண்ணி சொல்லுங்க. Yummy.
Very sweet. Very sweet.
Wow. See on the ground.
Made out of Switzerland.
Tell it to me. I don't know what's the origin.
Mulberries is Switzerland fruit, right?
Are you getting a fruit?
This is Switzerland fruit.
Wow, how did you get it so fast?
Blackberries are Sweden.
Can you taste and tell me how it is? Okay.
Bombarmy.
Eat it. Turn and tell me how it is. Very sweet?
Yeah.
Or very sour?
Very sweet.
Why it is so sweet and so juicy? Can you show me your tongue? Is it red? Your lips look like a lipstick. Okay. Daddy got the sweetest one.
See, the big one and sweetest one. Finish it. சாப்பிட்டு இருக்கு. முடிஞ்சா எடுத்துட்டு போவோம். இல்லைன்னா அப்படியே கூட போவோம். ஏன்னா வீட்டில் போய் வச்சு நம்ம 2 தடவை கீழே போட்டோம்.
ஆமா.
அதனால லெட்ஸ் என்ஜாய் தி.
நம்ம இந்த கொம்பு வாங்கியே இருக்க வேண்டாம். டாடி உனக்கு எடுத்து சாப்பிட்டு காட்டேன் எனக்கு. சரி அந்த பிளாக் எடுத்து கொடுக்குறேன் எனக்கு. ஹைல இருக்கு. எடுத்துட்டியா தங்கம்? என் சொல்ல குட்டி. இரு மம்மி எடுத்துக்கிறேன். டரன் 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 டரன். நான் எடுத்துக்கிட்டுமா?
Yes.
Okay, I'm gonna eat it. Eat it. Almost done. Cut my hand.
I want to see it.
See? Look at your hand. Because it's so juicy and sweet. Yummy. Daddy, எப்படி இருந்து சூப்பரா இருந்துச்சா? அம்மையா இருக்கல கை பத்தி எப்படி இருக்குன்னு. Look at my hand. It's so juicy.
4 trees and 1.
Sticky. So sweet like a honey.
Daddy, I want Switzerland. I want Switzerland.
I'm gonna show you how big the mulberry leaf is. See? Look. It's almost like the size of my face. No, bigger than my face. That's how big it is. See? And it's full of leaves. I'm gonna show you. These are the mulberry hunters. See the leaf, how big it is. Ta-da!
ஏன் உனக்கு
நீ சாப்பிடு Daddy. I ate too much.
Me too.
காட்டு உன் ஹேண்ட் காட்டு லிப்ஸ்டிக் மாதிரி இருக்குல்ல. கேன் யூ ஷோ யுவர் லிப்ஸ் டங் ப்ளீஸ்.
ஏமா கூட
Can you show your hand? My hand. Daddy, show your dirty hand. Johnny, show your dirty hand.
My hand is not dirty, as dirty as you guys. Tell Appa கொண்டு கொடு.
Oh, my Johnny hand is not dirty. You ate clean.
இது கூட பண்ணுங்க. வாஷ் பண்ணு.
Soap போட்டு கொடுத்தாங்க.
இது தேவையில்லைன்னு நினைக்கிறேன்.
Even I want to wash me.
டேய் என்ன பண்ற?
That was just a fool.
It's a Harvard gym.
Next person in line, please.
You guys are all good.
செடி வைக்கிறாங்க வாங்கிடலாமா? வாங்கி.
Per mulberry tree. At least scan ஆவது பண்ணுவான்.
அது வைக்க இடம் இல்லை. ஆல்ரெடி
it, Tony. Don't press it. Just scoop it. Tattite. No. Always do this, okay? And then now press it. Thank you. Press nicely. Good job.
What about the other baking tray?
அவ்வளோதான் இதே ஃபுல்லாக ஆயிடுச்சு